Hi, I'm back with another First Impressions video exploring 2022 RCM piano syllabus, so level 1 piano repertoire. We are checking out German Dance in D Major by Franz Joseph Haydn. Papa Haydn. Now, if you're a student and you don't know why I'm saying Papa Haydn, ask your teacher or look it up. Google can tell you. So, German dance, it's going to be lively. I'm trying to remember if I've had a student learn this. I don't think so. So we are jumping in and checking it out. So we've got, I'm just going to look this over. D major. Okay, let's jump in. Let's get in the right spot. Okay, so both hands are starting in G position. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Oh, so Haydn. It does say observe the repeat for the test. Okay. Redemption arc. Oh, cute. It really does make me think of a folk dance with the hopping. Actually, that just makes me think Haydn. I mean, it's just that energy and brevity, lightness and jokiness. The folk dance feeling to me comes in this section here, so bar 17. As well as the second line. So my fingering sucks today. Very cute. I mean, I do like Haydn. I've enjoyed his pieces. I like his sense of humor, especially with dynamics and even just taking one theme and just playing around with it rather than doing two contrasting themes. I do like the sequences in the third line. So he's got there. I mean, he's got it in the beginning as well. So, yeah, very, very neat piece. I think the students will have fun with it. I mean, I have a soft spot for Haydn. I actually did his E-flat major sonata for my ARCT exam. Plus, Papa Haydn's in our family tree of teachers. So, love Papa Haydn. So, what can I say that'll be kind of fun for students? I mean, the sequences for sure, the dynamics, and just the trying to get a nice light touch. So that might be a challenge. The speed might be a challenge too. But that's it for now. If you've worked on this piece, share some of your thoughts down below. And if this is your first time on the channel, check out some of the other First Impressions / demo and commentary videos. Head over to our Ko-fi page too if you'd like to see other stuff, our store, commissions. Send us a little bit more love to help the channel grow even further. Your help is greatly appreciated. And that's it for now. So take care and catch you in the next video. Bye!